Hello friends, this is Meena Sharma. Okay, we will solve this question. Is 70169,308 divisible by 11? If we have to say this, so we have to divide this big number 70169,308. I have to divide this number by 11. Okay, a huge division I have to do. And if my remainder will be 0, then I will say yes, this number is divisible by 11, means this number is perfectly divisible by 11. Okay, if there will be any remainder left, then I will say no, this number is not divisible by 11. So I have to follow a huge method, huge division I have to do, then I will say that this number is divisible by 11 or not. But I have a small trick, so that we no need to find out the division, we have to follow that trick and we will say yes, it is divisible by 11 or not, it is not divisible by 11. So what is that trick? I will tell you. So now I will tell you that trick, that is the divisibility rule of 11. For that we have to follow only 3 steps and we will say that the number is divisible by 11 or not. So what is the first step? Find sum of digits at odd places, like this number is given. So each digit is on some even or odd places, like this is my, we will always start from right. So this is our first place, this is our second place, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh and eighth places. And we know 1, 3, 5, 7, these are our odd places. And 2, 4, 6 and 8, these are even places. So you can say कि आप क्या करेंगे, you will take the alternate digits. You can take the alternate digit or you can say even and odd places. So आप क्या करेंगे, first digit you will take, leave the second digit, third digit you will take, leave the fourth digit, take fifth digit, then leave sixth place, then take this digit and leave eighth place. Okay, so we will do the sum of digit at odd places. Now second step, find the sum of digit at even places. So my 2, 4, 6 and 8, these are my even places. So I will add all the number on these places. And what is the third step? Subtract them. फिर हम इन दोनों का क्या निकाल देंगे? We will find the difference. If the difference is 0 or multiple of 11, then the original number, this number, original number is divisible by 11, otherwise not. So आपका जो difference होगा वो क्या आना चाहिए, 0 और multiple of 11. इन दोनों में से कुछ भी होगा तो yes, if not then your answer will be no. So let's do this sum now. So I will solve this question. So I will say alternate digit I have to take. So first step is sum of odd places digit. So I will take 8, then leave 0, then I will take 3, I will leave 9, then I will take 6 and then I will take 0. I will leave 1 and 7. Okay. Now find the total. 8 plus 3 is 11. 11 plus 6 is 17. Now I will find sum of even places digit. Even places digit. जो even places पे digits है उनका sum find करेंगे. तो even places पे कौन सी है? 0, 9, 1 and 7. So 0 plus 9 plus 1 plus 7. So if I will total, 0 plus 9 is 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 1 is 10 plus 7 is 70. This is our first step, second step. Third step is subtract. So this 17 minus 17, that is 0. And I told you when our difference is 0 or multiple of 11, then the original number is divisible by 11. So here our difference is 0, so we will say yes. This 70169,308 is divisible by 11. Divisible by 11. Okay, so let's take one more example. Now, my question second is 10824 divisible by 11? So, again we have to follow the 3 steps. We will find the sum of odd places digit, then sum of even places digit and subtract them. So, I will start from right hand side. So, 4 I will take, I will leave 2. Then 8 I will take, I will leave this 0 and 1. So, alternate digit I will say. So, 4 plus 8 plus 1. So, 4 plus 8 is 12, 12 plus 1 is 13. These are our odd places. You can write down like this. This is first place, second place, third place, fourth place and 5. And you can say what is odd? 1, 3 and 5 is odd places. Okay. Now I will take even places. So even place is 2 and 0. So I will add 2 plus 0 is equal to 2. Okay. Now I will subtract 13 minus 2, that is 11. And 11 is divisible by 11. 11 is a multiple of 11. So I have said you that if the result of subtraction, the difference is 0 or multiple of 11, the number is divisible by 11. So we will say yes, 10824 is divisible by 11. Divisible by 11. Let's take one more example. Now, in this question, is 713865 divisible by 11? So, what I have to follow? I have to follow this trick, 3 steps. Okay, so this is first, second, third, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, first I will take odd places. So, first, third, fifth and 7th I will take. So, 5 plus 9 plus 3 plus 7. So, what is my total? 5 plus 9 is 14, 14 plus 3 is 17 and 17 and 7 is 24. Now, I will take even places. So, 6, whatever the digits are left, I will take 6 plus 8 plus 1. So, this is 6 plus 8 is 14 plus 1 is 15. Now, third step is subtract. So, this is 24 minus 15. So, I will carry 14 minus 5 is 9 and 1 minus 1 is 0. So, difference is 9. 9 is not 0 and not a multiple of 11. So, what I will say? I will say no, this original number, this number, given number is not divisible by 11. Not divisible by 11. So, in this way, you can say the given number is divisible by 11 or not by using divisibility rule of 11. I hope this is clear to you. If you like my video, please press the like button. Have a nice day.